Welcome to your tour of 3711 West Firehawk. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-level home in Glendale. As you will see, there are a lot of upgrades, including tile and wood laminate flooring. Let's walk through into the kitchen. Here's the dining area, and you'll notice stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a tile backsplash, and a view of this beautiful backyard. Here is a view of the nice sized sparkling pool with some desert landscaping, an extended patio, synthetic grass area. As you come back through the living room area and down to the hall, the first room to the left you will notice is the primary suite. Also vaulted ceilings, wood laminate flooring. Here is the bathroom, tiled shower. The vanity has granite countertop. Just lots of nice touches in this home. And your closet. Lots of space, lots of shelves. Okay, let's continue on the tour. The next is a bedroom. Just down the hall is the hallway bathroom. Nice vanity as well. And a shower and tub. Just outside of the hallway bathroom, you'll see there are some more cabinets for you. Lots of storage space. And here's another bedroom. It is set up similarly to the other. There's the closet, laundry area, newer washer and dryer, some cabinets for you. Okay, let's check out this 2-car garage. It already has some cabinets for you. This concludes our tour of 3711 West Firehawk in Glendale, Arizona. If you are interested in learning more about this home, scheduling a tour, and/or applying, please visit our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com.